Before I finally get to reveal what my back to school / early fall room looks like. I'm so excited. I couldn't be more happy with the bedroom. I do gotta say real quick, this process took a mental toll on me. I definitely realized a personality trait about myself, which is that I don't really function very well when things are incomplete, and it was super interesting but also like rough. Having my room be half done and kind of all over the place for over a week was very disruptive to my routine and my life. But now that today finally everything is in place, it feels like a weight has been lifted off of me. I'm so excited. It's so cozy and warm, and I'm just very happy. I even have my pineapple and orange juice, which I've been obsessed with recently. So when I wake up tomorrow morning and show you guys my finished room tour, I hope you're excited to see how it went from a bright coral and yellow summer bedroom to a warm, earthy, and cozy school / early fall bedroom. I don't think I could literally be happier. Like, I just love this room. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. It's room tour time. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to show you guys the finished room. If you haven't been keeping up to date on my channel, I've done, I think, 3 room makeover videos showing all of the hustle and bustle that we've been through to get this room complete. There were a lot of projects that we wanted to complete that we ended up changing but making even better, and then there were a lot of projects that we did that we accomplished. By we, I mean my mom and I. My mom literally does like all of the crafty stuff, like painting and things like that, stuff that I can't do. So here we go. Here's my room. I'm gonna start by showing you guys my bed because that's what's been done the longest, and most of y'all have already seen the bed. So ta-da! Here it is. I'm so obsessed. So first of all of my bedding is from Brooklinen. I have been sleeping so well. This pillow I actually already owned. It's from Target, I believe, and I've had it for a few years. I got these 2 new pillows in recent vlogs. These are from Target and I love the color. Then here are just like my regular pillows, and then my headboard. So my headboard used to be a dark gray, just all over dark gray. So my mom, being the crafty lady that she is, not the hair, we went to Target and we bought a blanket and we stapled the blanket to cover up the gray because the gray was just not doing it for me. So now my whole bed is like this light beige, happy cream, warm, cozy bed. I love it. Above my bed we have ta-ta-da! One of the paintings that I did. So I took it upon myself to do a craft this time. I think I only did a little bit of it though, and then my mom helped me with the rest, but that's okay. I did 3 matching ones, and here is only one of them. There's 2 others in the rest of the room. Then I have this little painting, which brings in the brown that I'm trying to bring into my room. This I actually stole from my parents' bedroom. Whoops. Then I have a little plant that is from last fall. It's red, it's wood, it's so cute, all the things. So this is what my bed looks like right now. Since my bedding is overall kind of muted and soft, I wanted a little bit of variety. So I got THXSILK pillowcases. They look like this. They're an emerald green. I'm really excited. I just want to have some extra pillowcases that I can kind of switch in and out for whenever I want my room to look a little bit spicier than normal, you know? THXSILK literally has the most luxurious and soft and smooth material ever. They're handcrafted by 6A mulberry silk. They're really good for people who suffer with allergies, which coming up to the fall is me. They're good for your overall health, hair, skin, all the things. Silk actually dehydrates epidermis more than regular fabrics like cotton, which is pretty much like everything. So it keeps your face really, really hydrated. It also keeps your hair hydrated, which is great because I struggle with dry hair, and when my hair is the most moisturized and hydrated, it grows the best, which is just an overall plus plus. So I got some new pillowcases, but I also got a pair of pajamas. I was wearing them last night, and I kid you not, they give me like pretty mom hanging out around the house with her fluffy socks on during fall with a cup of coffee, a pumpkin spice drink, all the things. Literally, they just make me feel so happy. They're also kind of Christmassy. There's a lot of different styles that you can check out on THXSILK, and I will link their website and everything down below. So let me show y'all what these pillowcases look like on my bedding when they're on. I'm gonna open them up. I love the packaging it came in. It felt so like luxurious and just, I felt like it was too cool for me, you know? So here we go. Okay, so this is the color. Tell me that's not like the most rich, jewel toned, pretty color you've ever seen. I'm gonna put this on one of my pillowcases. I'm a big fan of pillowcases with zippers. It makes it nice and easy.